Okay, this is how this one came out. Suspension tank, flip pipe. And of course the relief we have to get some material for the relief to connect that copper. I don't know if you can see it right there at the back, right by the gas line. This is the gas line that's hooked in. Pan is on. So this one is a wrap outside of that fact. When I get the material for that, I can go in ahead and tie that in. So that came out really well. A little bit easier than the other one, but still took some work, especially up in here. Not too much, but you know, it just wouldn't go right back in. But I worked it out. All right. Sweet. I think this tub is in also. Oh, not yet. Oh, they have to get some more material in for the tub in here. I need to get my light. But this is the tub. It's I believe it's right hand, and we needed a left hand tub there. So they're gonna have to get another one delivered. So once we get that, we can tie that in. The hose bit came out nice too. All right, good deal. I'm off to another one. So with that being said, till the next time. So.